Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tahnee. For those of you who don't know, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to stay mentally fit. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and taking care of your mind is essential to your overall well-being. So let's dive right in and see what we can do to keep our minds in tip-top shape. Ready? Here we go. All right, so take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, try to get enough sleep. These are activities that help your brain function better and reduce the risk of mental health problems. Guess I don't get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of being present in the moment and focusing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Stay connected. Social connections are crucial for good mental health. Spending time with friends, family, joining clubs, volunteering, those are all great ways to stay connected. Find purpose. Having a sense of purpose in your life can help you feel more fulfilled and satisfied. Pursuing hobbies, volunteering, engaging in activities that align with your values can give you a sense of purpose. Learn new things. Keep your mind active and engaged. It's essential for mental fitness. Reading, taking courses, trying new activities. Those are great ways to keep your mind sharp. So there you have it, folks. Those are some tips on how to learn to stay mentally fit. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. If you feel like you need additional support, please don't hesitate to seek medical professional help. All right? Stay safe, everybody. Much love, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell to all so you can see whenever I post a new video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and leave a comment down below. Tell me some of your tips on how you stay how do you stay mentally fit. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.